Hello everyone, it's Maive, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a couple of miniature gingerbread houses and trying out some of these Excel tools. So Excel Blade sent me a few tools to try out, though I didn't get to use all of the tools, so I'll just quickly show you all of them. They were all really comfortable to use and I thought they had a nice weight to them. My dotting tools are light in comparison, and sometimes when I flip them round to use the other side, they slip out of my fingers and they go flying through the air, so I don't think that will be happening with these. Ooh, it started to rain. I always welcome a new needle tool because they come in all thicknesses, making them all suitable for different projects, so yeah. I love the knife so much. It's so sharp and the handle has like an anti-slip coating that again makes it so much easier and comfortable to use. I've been meaning to change my precision knife for quite some time, so thank you Excel Blades, this one is awesome. I can't remember what this tool is called, so I'll just call it the mini pizza cutter. This is so much fun to use, you have to try it. I'll leave the link to Excel Blades down below so you can check them out. Okay guys, that's it from me today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you next time. Bye! Ciao ciao!